Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making a complete Bangladeshi meal, chicken curry and some simple sides. So all cooked in my kitchen. Let's get started. So I put little oil to the pan. Once the oil was hot, I added sliced onions and fried them lightly. You don't want them too dark, just soft and slightly golden. Then I added bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom. Then I stirred for a few seconds to release the aroma. Next I added little ginger and garlic paste and cooked it well until the raw smell was gone. Next I added coriander powder, cumin powder, little salt and turmeric. I put the turmeric very little cause I don't like as much it. Well, next I added some tomatoes and some green chilies. I mixed the spices properly. This is where the base of the flavor starts coming together. Now I added some yogurt, mixed everything nicely and cooked the masala for about 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens and started releasing oil. This step is very important for good taste. Then I added the chicken and the potatoes and cooked them together for about 5 minutes so they could absorb the masala. So now I am waiting for 5 minutes. Here is it, chicken stock cube. You can add this if you have it in your home, but if you don't have, it's fine. It's not mandatory. So now I add the stock and half a glass of water. I put hot water. Then I covered the pan and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. While the chicken was cooking, I prepared the side dish. Can anyone guess what I make right now? Okay, if you can't, just stay with me. I will show you what I made. So in the frying pan, I fried lightly chopped onion and garlic in oil. On the other hand, I checked the chicken curry to be sure it's cooked perfectly or not. When you see it's almost cooked, you add some garam masala, what I add. Then I stir for a minute. Now I'm going to show you the leafy greens how I made. I added some sliced potatoes, leafy greens, a little turmeric, salt and chopped green chilies. I put all them together. I mixed everything well. Then next I covered the pan and let it cook slowly. Simple but really comforting. Back to the chicken, it was almost done by now. I gave it a final stir, added a little mustard oil for that extra Bangladeshi flavor. And finally I topped it with the fresh coriander leaves. So now it's ready. I also had some eggplants at home, so I quickly made crispy eggplants fry. Nothing fancy, but it completes the meal. Okay, so now everything is ready. Time for plating and enjoying a full Bangladeshi home cooked meal. Well, this is the last part where I'm gonna show you the plating. Actually, most days after duty, I cook alone at home. Whatever I have in the kitchen, I make something simple with that. This meal is my way of winding down. Eat, rest a little, then sleep, and next day get ready for another day of duty. This is how I end my day. Simple food, simple quiet time, and a little comfort before sleep. After all, Bangladeshi flavor touch. As a Bengali, a meal just doesn't feel complete without rice. Eating hot rice with curry after cooking is the best feeling. If you enjoy simple, real home cooking, you're always welcome here. So that's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe or follow me. And thank you so much for watching this full video. See you in the next video. Bye.